My name's Dermot Brock, and I'm doing the Interactive Multimedia Masters in UL. My project is called Explorations in Data Visualization, and what I've done for it, I've visualized news stories from the BBC website. So essentially what it's doing is it's taking all these little dots or nodes, and they're all individual news stories from the BBC website. The ones that are moving fast are actually the headlines. So that's the technology section, that's the business section. Here we have the European news. Over here is science and nature, sport, and world news. So ideally what you should do is really separate out everything first so you can kind of see what you're working with. Certain nodes, like here for instance, we have a connection between Europe, science and nature, and the world news. And that story is that the Roman Empire has raised the HIV threat. So essentially what you're able to do is you're able to see common news stories that are running between the actual website themselves. And essentially, like, all of these, this is technology, so all these are open, editable. You can actually click in from here into the website itself and read the full article. This is still a demo version, so it hasn't got all the features that I'd like to have it. But how it's working is this is using an infrared light that I've put into this little, just a normal LED lamp that you put on your keys, and I have a Wiimote, which is essentially an infrared camera mounted, so every time I click a button it's reading it from above, and it's essentially turning my screen into a whiteboard where I can edit and manipulate all these individual nodes. And yeah.